the common questions that I get asked on my DMs is, Clantis, is YouTube about luck or is it not about luck? Well, in my time as a content creator on YouTube, this question is a little bit blurry for me as well because I'm not quite sure whether it is about luck or is it not about luck or is it about certain group of people being privileged, and as a result of that the algorithm has a tendency of responding more positively towards them than it does with the other group of people. I do not have evidence of that because YouTube tells us that when you upload your YouTube video, it does not know who you are. It does not know where you come from. It doesn't know anything about you except that you have posted a video, and therefore it is its job to analyze the video so that it is able to take it to the correct audience. And if you created the content that people have been searching for on YouTube, then guess what? You are going to gain yourself an audience. Now, how people behave, obviously, it's going to be different, or how they perceive our content, maybe even going as far as looking at the person themselves who has brought this type of content to them. Maybe it's people that they do not like. Maybe it's people that they have prejudices against. Maybe it's people that they don't believe in, or whatever the case might be. Individuals, human beings, have their own attitude toward other human beings. As a result of that, maybe that's when your YouTube channel struggles. Some people, they look at the tribes they belong to, and the person that brought this content, is it the person of the same tribe or the person of the same? All these like ills of this world may contribute to the failure of your YouTube channel or the success of your YouTube channel. I don't have evidence of that. All I'm just saying here is it's an assumption, but one thing I know for sure is that content is king. Consistency is queen. Improving something about your content, at least 1% of an improvement of your content, is definitely key to the success of your YouTube channel. Now, when we say content is key, basically what I'm saying is, if you are stuck and you are realizing that my channel is not going anywhere, rather pump your channel with content. Remember, content is king. Build this library of content on your channel, so much so that one day, maybe it's the content itself. Remember, I told you that evergreen content, like the content that I create, it does grow painstakingly slow. But once it takes off, that is when you start reaping all the hard work and all the patience and everything that you put into your YouTube channel, and suddenly you see it now succeeding and making you the kind of money that you always wanted to make. I say all the time, YouTube is a marathon. It is not a sprint race, especially if you are doing content on this platform. YouTube is not like TikTok and other platforms where you grow really, really quick within 3 months. Here, 3 months later, after starting your YouTube channel, you will still be with 0 subscribers and 0 views. And then you'll probably have over 30 videos and still you're like, what's happening here? But when you go to TikTok, within a week, you have 1,000 views. Within another week, you already have 10,000 followers, etc. and so on. Now, is the YouTube algorithm closed? We don't know. We don't know how exactly it behaves, but however, we do know, since you have watched my videos, that the YouTube algorithm is triggered by certain metadata as well as metrics that I have brought to your attention before: click-through rate, audience retention, engagement, all those 9 yards. I told you that if you can master those, then of course you will see traction on your YouTube channel. So same goes with improving something. Maybe you improve the way you present in front of your camera. Maybe you're a little bit shy, and then you boost yourself with some confidence. 1%, just up 1% of your confidence, and you will see a difference when people watch your videos and resonate with you as a content creator, because they're already resonating with the content. But now what about you? Because just because you are a content creator and YouTube caters to the viewers, the content that you create, you are still important. And therefore, there's something that you will also have to improve about yourself. Be more confident. Also, I see a lot of people looking at the screen finder instead of looking at the lens when they are filming YouTube videos. Look at the lens of your camera, not you. If you see yourself on the device that you are filming your video on, you are not looking at the lens, you are looking at yourself. Yes, you look good. Look at the lens. Yes, that lonely looking small knob, you need to look at it. That is your audience, because eye contact is very important when you're a content creator on YouTube. Try not to look at the screen finder. That is not where you're not supposed to be looking. You're supposed to be looking at the lens. I know I'm repeating this because I see a lot of content creators not looking at the lens, but looking at the screen finder. And some, they've been around on YouTube for a while, but they still have not found the lens, which is right on their right hand side if they are using a camera, especially if the camera is they're filming from the back of the phone. That is where the quality of the video is most at, rather than the front of your phone using the front camera. The quality there is not good at all. Sometimes it looks a little bit milky, sometimes it looks a little bit pixelated. But if you use, let me show you, if you use if you use, you see these three lenses right here, that's how you need to film your YouTube videos. But if you film your YouTube videos using the front of your phone, the quality of your videos are not going to look good. And when I say do not look at the screen finder when you are filming, never look at this. You need to look at these. These are lenses. But in front of the camera, the lens is this thing right here. This is where the lens is. You need to look here, not here. Look at the knob right here. Or if the camera is you're filming from the back, you need to look here. These three lenses. That is what I'm talking about. So improve that. Improve your storytelling. Improve the way also you address your audience in the comment section. Be responsive. Very important. All right. And then, of course, like I said, consistency is key. Content is king, and consistency is key. That means if you are not going to be consistent, those doors of opportunities the opportunity that you are trying to open will be closed simply because you are not consistent. The doors of growth in terms of subscribers as well as views will be closed because you only come onto YouTube now and again, when instead you're supposed to show up every single week as per your upload schedule. If the frequency of your uploads is twice a week, show up twice a week. If it's 3 times a week, show up 3 times a week. If it's every single day during this $1,000 challenge, then show up every single day until you make your $1,000. That is what you call consistency as well as your frequency. Now, to go back to the question, is YouTube about luck or is it not about luck? From where I stand, YouTube is about hard work, at least for some of us. It is hard work. For other people, it's privilege. I believe it's privilege that gets their channels. They will create a channel today, because I've seen those videos that says, I created a new channel. I created a new YouTube channel to show that it's not luck. And then you're like, no, for you, it's about privilege. It's not about luck. You are right. It's about privilege and how it's the platform itself may, I'm not saying it does, may respond towards you versus how it does with me. For me to succeed on this platform, I need to work really, 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 really hard. And as a result, it may take months, if not years, to see success on my channel. While other people, they just create a channel today, and then next week they already have their 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, and they are accepted into the YouTube partner program. And a week later, after that, they're already at 10,000 subscribers and making thousands of dollars in AdSense. While some of us, we are still stuck at 200 subscribers and 20 views, and for months and months to come. But if you are going to be pumping your channel with content with the little views and subscribers that you have, trust and believe me when I tell you, one day when your channel takes off, YouTube will be as successful as the privileged YouTubers that start their channels today, and tomorrow they are monetized and they are able to come before you and basically tell you it's not about luck, and I can prove it to you. I started a new channel and look where it is in a space of a month. That's not us. So make sure that you pump your channel with content. Create a content library on your channel so that in the future, when the channel takes off, you are able to make success of yourself by these videos that you have already uploaded on your channel for the past months or even few years ago. So no, the answer to me is not about luck, but from observations, privilege does play a huge role for some people to grow their channel a little bit faster. You can start with this person today, the same content, and you upload the same time every single week, but you will see because of privilege, they will surpass you and be more successful than you can ever imagine. And you will still be lagging behind and struggling and suffering and uploading and working hard, and still nothing happens. Do not be discouraged. You too will be successful one day on YouTube. I hope this answers this question.